Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how we can change this leaking tap. See here, even if I turn this off, it is still leaking. So how you can replace this tap with a new tap and fix this. And before removing this, first we need to turn the valve or from the tank at the terrace we need to change the valve so that there won't be any water coming from the tank to this tap. First we need to block at the tank level. I'll show you. Yes, see, this is my water tank and this is the water going to the downside to the all the house. Just I turned off this, means there won't be water coming from this pipe to the down taps. So don't forget this. Yeah, as we just turned off the valve on the tank, just empty all the water. There will be few water remaining in the pipes, so that just empty everything. So slowly within like 1 to 2 minutes all this water uh, will come out, and then you can remove this tap. Yeah, see here, slowly the water decreased, the water level coming out from the tap. Once it is completely zero, you need to rotate this tap carefully in the anti-clockwise direction like this. Okay, in the anti-clock. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, be careful because it may be removed at the bottom without removing anything or damaging. Just try to remove by rotating in this direction. Okay, now there is no water, and this is the new tap what I have purchased. But I purchased this tap not from online, offline only. Near the electrical shop I went, I purchased one new tap and this liquid. This liquid is called Shellac. We need to use this also, and one threading tape also. I'll show you that one also. Yeah, this is the threading, and this cost like 10 rupees. This is like 10 to 15 rupees, and this tap is like 100 rupees. Overall 125, 120 to 125. So what you need to do is remove this tap. Okay, so I'll just keep this aside. First of all, there is a thread here for the new tap. On this thread you need to carefully place this and wrap it. Okay, if we do this threading, then only there won't be water leakage from here. When we place this tap, there won't be water leakage from this side. So you need to apply this Shellac on this here. Okay, like this. Okay, apply everything and keep the lid here, keep it aside. Okay, now place it over here and try to rotate in the clockwise direction. Maximum there won't be any tools required here. With the hand only you can do it. Okay, fine. And remember one thing, don't try to use the tap for like another 1 hour. Keep it like this without any water outcoming. Okay, just after 1 hour you can uh, change the valve at the tank, and then you can use this tap, because this Chellock solution, that needs to be dried. So yeah, so if you do have any other question, please do ask. I'll attach these products, you can check these products in the online prices. Now I'm just, yeah, this is how you can perfectly replace the volt tap with the new tap.